Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome to the part 5 of Google Dinosaur with Machine Learning tutorial series. In the previous video we just simply make a folder and download this game Dino and uh, and take the image and get the input. So in this video we are just gonna doing just process the image and just try to recognize anything that like bird or a this is a big tree or something, okay, or this is a small tree or something. So in this video we just recognize the tree. So start coding. First of all, go to the code. Here we left in the previous video, so comment it out, jump function, and start coding. First of all, in this case dino is a colorful picture, okay. If we try to print it, print, sorry, dino. So if we try to print this, it's get three number, that is RGB picture. So blue, pixel, red, green, and blue, green or red attribute. So we have to process this image and try to simplify this. So we need to get this image to convert to the BGR to RGB. So write this code cb2 dino black picture black equals to cv2.cvt convert col or color dino. We want to convert the picture of dino, and cv2 dot col or color underscore bgr to gray, okay. And try to print this and try to comment it out. We do not need this now. Print dino black underscore let's make it black, okay. Try to run this. Okay, it's run perfectly. Where is the issue? I do not. So you can see here, print out the image attribute. 250 is the highest pixel, it is fully white, and 244 it is called some white but not fully white, okay. This is only black and white picture, that each pixel has the value. The 255 is the maximum value, okay. So it is the printout. And if we just want to see the image, so we have to write im show cv2 dot im show dino black dino underscore black. So it is the black and white picture of this game. It is the black and white picture. You can Sakif New World is the colorful here, and here is black and white, so it is a black and white picture, and the attribute of the picture is like 1D array. So let's close this and comment it out. We do not need this print for anything. Okay, now we are just trying to take the more simplified image that we can show here, that here is a cloud, but we don't we don't want to take anything like that, so we have to invert the color. Okay, let's try to code here. So we give them in a threshold. So return dino invert inv equals to cv2 dot threshold h threshold dino black and white picture, dino black. If get 200 pixel of any white picture, that it converted to 255. It is the maximum value of a pixel black and white pic. cv2 dot thresh will the threshold, sorry, in the capital letter sh trash binary and we invert. So we have to invert it, this black to white, white to black. Okay, so let's try to see the image. In cv2 dot im show, let's make it bigger that you can show all the code. Im show, let's name it dino trash. Okay, and write dino and we invert. Okay, let's try to run this. I get no error. So here is the picture in the inverse. So let's close this. Okay, I inverted this. So now I have to take a picture that I can recognize. Here is the like a small tree, and the like other thing that is the big tree. Let's try to grab the image. So I have to write that cv2 dot im write from dino. Sorry, the image name is tree dot png. Okay, and it is from dino, the real game image, or like black and white dino black, anything you want. Okay, so it will take the image of the last image of the game, the last iteration, or the last while loop. Okay, sorry, I do pronunciation badly, so let's try to save and try to make the key. Okay, I just try to grab the big tree image. It is a big tree, and I just want to close this image. Okay, it will take this image, and if I close it, it will take this image. So go to the Python folder and open the tree. Okay, it get the image. So open, so go to the folder, right click the tree, the png. Okay, open with paint is default by all windows. Right click paint, just select option, go to the select option, image, where is the select option, select, just take this select option, okay, and take it there, and I'm trying to take it small, so you have it will match the whole picture in this uh, image. So if it is so small, it will match so quickly, so you have to make it small as much as possible. Okay, file, save file as png file, name it big tree. Okay, big tree. Okay, and save this. Okay, close it, show the big tree image. Here is our big tree. Okay, so we take the image. Now we try to import this image. Import, just try to import this image, write the code here. So to do the import image, we are trying to just write big tree, the name of the image, equals to cb2.imread big, name of the image like big tree, and bigtree.png and 0 stand for we take this image in the black and white version only. Okay, okay, we take the image to the gray version of this image and make some things that shape. We can take the shape of the image and make a rectangle shape like this. So w comma h is for width and height for the image. Big tree equals dot shape -1. Let's try to see this image. So and show the dino invert, show right, show dino invert. Let's make a function that name is image recognition. Okay, function that name image recognition. We pass two parameter, recognition, pass two parameter like dino invert, and dino the real image. Okay, copy, df, define, paste, make a function image recognition, copy and paste dino and two parameters. Okay, cv2 dot im show dino and we invert. Try to run this. Image recognition dino im show dino invert. Okay, we do not write the window name dino and we invert. Okay, let's try to run this. Okay, I can write this image and try to show this big tree. Okay, just print big tree. Okay, it is a black and white picture, so it run. Okay, you can get the black and white pictures attribute. So we import the tree correctly and make a function that can show perfectly. Okay, let's try to write some code. Image recognition. Yes, to match this image we are trying to match this dino image, dino invert image, and the big tree image that can match how perfectly. Okay, so make try to cv2 dot match template function match template dino invert to big tree big tree cv2 dot tm template matching cc o f nor met normed. Okay, so and eff match template f nor not. Okay, match equals to like 80% match, so 0.80 log, sorry, log equals to int p dot where res greater than, where res greater than or equal match. Okay, where can match more than 80%, okay, it will get iterate the whole image and try to match this particular tree in the image, and if get 80% of match, it will just draw a rectangle. Okay, so let's try to write this match if lock. So make a for loop for pt point in star lock -1. Sorry, I made the mistake. Okay, so for loop pt in zip zip cv2 dot rectangle picture in dino in the real image. Okay, dino pt point pt for x-axis pt0 for x-axis plus w the width. Okay, pt 01 for y-axis plus w and h plus 3 only. Okay, h is less, so we add 3 more pixel and close the bracket. Okay, color the image in 0, 255 bgr is RGB or BGR, it's color like green. Okay, 0 2, the line will get 2 pixel wide width. Okay, let's try to run this. cv2.im show the dino image, dino recognition. Okay, and let's try to show the dino image. So let's try to run this and check how many error I get. I get no error. So let's try to run in this game. Okay, no, it is not working. 80% I think. Match 60%. let's try to run this again. Failure. What happened, man? Match 60%. Invert. Try not to invert INV. I think we choose the wrong image. Okay, just try to do the black image. Now run this. Okay. This is the big tree, and we are recognize this tree perfectly. We can also write on this image like that make a font name. Font equals to cv2 dot font font underscore simplex HERSHESIMPLEX simplex, and like this, copy and paste this cv2 dot, I think put text. Here we go. Put text. Put text. Dino ptw Dino. Your name it trw tree. Text for pt0w. One attribute for x-axis, it is for y-axis, it is for color, and font here, write font font. One font name one cv2 dot line underscore a. Let's try to run this. This code is so huge, man. It's run perfectly. So congratulations if you've done this. Okay. So in the next video we are just going to do just origin of the interest. We don't try to get all the image and process this image. We're just trying to get only the particular area which we need, like this particular area, and try to implement in our Python code and give the artificial intelligence or machine learning to play this game with Python. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.